For this graph, we're looking at a monopoly. Okay, with a monopoly, we have a different type of cost structure and demand structure than we did for perfect competition. With perfect competition, we could sell all we wanted at the given price. But with a monopoly, I'm the only game in town. I am the only one selling the product. In order to sell more of my product, I have to lower my prices. So we now have a downward sloping demand curve. So what we're trying to figure out here is we want to figure out, first of all, what is our profit maximizing output? And we learned in the other chapter in the perfect competition that wherever marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, that's our profit maximizing level of output. So let's find that on here. Okay, here's my marginal revenue curve. Here's my marginal cost curve. Okay, the place where these two intersect, right here, that's going to give us our profit maximizing output. So we are going to maximize profit at 4 units. Okay, now from there we have to figure out how much are we going to charge when we produce 4 units. So we're going to take this information, we know we're producing 4 units, what we're going to do is we're going to extend this up to my demand curve. Okay, so we know we're producing 4 because that's where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. We're going to extend this up to my demand curve and back over to the price axis. So if we are maximizing profit, we're going to produce 4, we're going to bring that up here to my demand curve, back to my price axis, and the price is going to be $6. So that's how a firm decides, a monopoly firm decides how much to produce and what to charge. So how much can we charge at this level of output? They can charge 6. So now what we want to figure out is how much profit is this firm earning? Okay, so first to get profit, we have to find total revenue minus total cost. Okay, so let's figure this out. So total revenue, we're going to give a big TR, total revenue. Our total revenue is going to be our price times our quantity. We've already figured that out. We're producing 4, we're charging 6. So that's going to be $6 times 4 units is $24. Okay, so our total revenue is going to be $24. But now we have to figure out what is our total cost. Remember, our average total cost curve is the one that tells us how much it costs per unit at every given level. So at at 4 units, we're going to find that ATC curve. Okay, right here, if we're producing 4, each unit costs me this, so it's $4 per unit that it's costing me to produce. So now it's going to be the cost times the quantity. The cost per unit we just decided was $4. The quantity, again, is 4, so that's $16 is my total cost. Okay, so then to get our profit, we're just going to take the 24 minus the 16, and our profit is going to be the $8. Okay, so that's how we find profit maximizing quantity, profit maximizing price, and what our actual profit would be.